Everyone said Canva isn't real design. If you're a creative who's been told your skills aren't professional enough, this might change everything. Pickle just opened applications for remote graphic designers, and here's the game changer. No experience required. They want freshers, graduates, postgraduates, even self-taught creatives. If you know your way around Canva, Figma, Adobe tools, and have creative thinking and strong English communication skills, this is for you. You'll design presentations, social media content, flyers, brochures, merchandise, web layouts, logos, GIFs, infographics, and more. Every day is different, and working with global clients from home. It's 5 days a week, full-time remote, open to anyone across India. Showcase your portfolio with presentations, social media creatives, and design projects. Application link is in the description. Apply now using the link in the description. Like, share and subscribe for more remote jobs.